Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this Fulani braid inspired hairstyle. Y'all, I've been seeing this hairstyle on Instagram for a hella long time, and this hairstyle is hella cute, so I wanted to do it myself but without having to braid my hair or anything because your girl does not have time for that. So what I'm just doing is taking the essential stuff to do a high ponytail or slick bun. So it's a hair tie, some hair gel, and a Bristle brush. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like brush my hair up to the quads and making sure it's slick down, and I'm making sure that ponytail is tight. Alright guys, now it's time for the good. So what I'm doing is just parting both sides above my ear where my sideburns are, and just going ahead and taking synthetic hair. You can braid with your real hair, braids, go crazy girl, have some fun, just like do wild colors, whatever you know fits your bone. Yeah, but I'm just going ahead and braiding that, and I'm also parting the middle part where I have my widow's peak. And so what I'm doing is just braiding that as well. And then I'm taking this jewel that I have. No, what is this? Yeah, jewel, I think. Yeah, this little jewelry stuff that I have. It was like $2 that I got from my local beauty store. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking a bobby pin, putting it through the jewel. And this took me like 4 tries because every time I put it through, it ended up being upside down. And your girl was struggling, but this time I got it right and I put it through, and it just kind of like hung in between my eyes, kind of like, you know, it looks really cute. And next what I did was I took some wooden beads. This you can order online, basically get anywhere where they sell hair stuff, and I did the same technique I did with my middle piece, and I put it through. I think I only did 2. At first I did 3, but it was a lot, so I just ended up with 2, and I did that on both sides of my head. Okay, and then this part, my braids that I used to braid with were actually kind of long, and I honestly don't even know what my face is doing. Oh my god. But what I just was just cut that, and then whatever I had remaining, I didn't want to burn it or anything, so I just like flipped it back up, and then I took a mini like tiny little rubber band that was just black. You could use a clear one. I wouldn't use color because then you might see it. So what I did was just like I wrapped it around as many times as I could to make it tight and like really skinny, so that I can bring back the bead that I have up there down, so it kind of like looks connected. Get it? Wow, this hairstyle had me feeling like something else. Like I was feeling like a melanin queen, African goddess. You guys, I was feeling myself. But y'all, this next part is optional. You don't gotta do it. I wanted to do something different that I haven't done myself, so I just took a hair piece that my sister had. I don't even know where she got it. It didn't match my hair texture, so I ended up not using it. You can just use your hair, which is what I did at the end, like after when I went out with my hairstyle. So if you were gonna use your real hair, you would just act like you're doing a high puff instead of putting your hair in a bun, and then you would just carry on from there and then go ahead and part your hair, braid it, blah blah, and then you'd be Gucci. A million bobby pins later, I decided to go ahead and do my edges, and I'm using the same hair gel that I used to slick it down, and this is the Softee one. All the products will be down in the description box below, so you guys can check them out if you guys want to know exactly what I used. And I'm also using a spoolie and not a pencil. Girl, oh, I did not just say pencil, I mean toothbrush. I low-key like the spoolie better because it's just kind of easier to do edges that look like the ones I'm doing right now, like squiggly edges, little fancy ones. I like doing that better. But next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is lay these edges down, son. I am a chill, but the next thing I'm gonna do is take my silk scarf, which I already did, but I'm just laying my edges down, and I'm gonna flip this and do the back of my head so that it's real laid. Like look at me being extra or whatever. But girl, this hairstyle was really my vision. It was coming true. Ow. Okay. We done up in this beat. I just laid in this beat. Hey, y'all, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also make sure to hit up my social medias. Everything in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. See y'all babies next time. Bye.